Here you will see. Let's see. There it is. Wow. I can hear the excitement all the way up front. Goodness, all right.
The Shoyu family.
One, two, three. Wishes do come true. Yes, man, it's working like a charm. Ooh, or should I say like a wish? Maybe even a Disney wish.
gets bad.
Are you ready?
And I see some of you have your wishing wands. Wishes do come true!
It's time to sail away. It's time to celebrate.
Hi there!
Time to jump. Anywhere you wanna be, let's set sail. Make a million memories now. We got a wish upon the prize. I'm ready, let's set sail. I wanna be out to sea. I'm ready, let's set sail. I wanna be out to sea. I'm ready.
soon. Oh, goody goody.
Welcome to our family time. Welcome to our happy time. This is our festival. Welcome to our family time. Welcome to our happy time. We're here to share it all. We're here to share it all. We're here to share it.
Well, hello, everybody, and welcome aboard the Disney Wish. I'm Darren, your cruise director, and I've got a question for you all. Are you guys having a good time? Now, that's what I'm talking about. Well, it's the moment you've all been waiting for. Time to say goodbye to Port Canaveral and hello to your Disney cruise vacation. So, let's sound the ship's horn. Minnie, would you please do us the honor?
Oh, I'd love to. Will you all help me count down?
Sure will. Happy to.
What fun! Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's set sail. Anywhere you wanna be. Let's set sail. Making new memories now. I wanna see. Let's set sail. I wanna see. Let's set sail. We gotta be on the bright side. Here's right there where you are. Adventures near and far. I'm ready. Let's set sail. I'm ready. Let's set sail.
The entire crew of the Wish, welcome aboard.
See you around.
Happy sailings. See you real soon. And remember, wishes do come true.
Cruise director. The cruise director on a Disney Cruise Line vessel is in charge of the entire entertainment. Are you guys ready for a fun cruise? Perfect. Well, my team is going to be busy then. 1. Wishes do come true. Enjoy the show.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas to you all!
There's even more Very Merrytime fun to come.
There sure is.
And, like Santa said, see ya real soon.
Merry Christmas, everybody!
Next year.
The show will be getting started in just 10 minutes. Thank you.
I'm Scott Lang.
I am Hope Van Dyne.
Look, before we start, let me address the elephant in the room. I didn't shrink down, go in, and kill Thanos in a really creative way. Gross. It's much more complicated than that. Allow me to explain.
If only we had the time.
These are quantum cores, cutting-edge technology that for the first time allows us to specifically target our PIM particles to shrink or grow just about anything.
Please don't get any crumbs here. Like this? Like this? I made this. It's a slime.
Target acquired. Quantum cores are online. Prepare to push your buttons.
Activate! What is that?
That is your talisman.
Oh. Yeah, I see what you mean. That's terrible. I fix the issue with the quantum cores? Boot up the cores.
Target acquired. Quantum cores are online.
Remember, no grubby hands on the quantum cores. See lots of crumbs on your tables. Just saying. 3, 2, 1. What just happened?
Scott, honey, you shrunk the ship. Listen, Scott, I'm standing here with the captain.
Marvel? America? Crunch?
No, Scott, it's the captain of the cruise ship. We want to have a chat with us about what just happened. Yeah.
Can you hear me? Hello?
Spider-Man?
Friday! Yes!
How did you gain access to this channel?
I borrowed Mr. Lane's password. Trouble is heading your way. Like, big trouble.
What trouble? Airspace has been breached.
Punch up the top dead speed.
Dispatching ant cams.
So top?
Probably Captain. How's the cushy cruise gig going?
Try the chicken tenders. It'll change your life.
What are you doing all the way up here? They look like
Flying robots.
Analyzing. Ultron. An android obsessed with destroying the Avengers and wiping out all of mankind.
And later, we're gonna have a serious talk about bringing quantum tech to a cruise ship.
Look at this crowd. You try keeping their attention. But look, that guy's still eating.
Miss Marvel is teaming up with the Star Spangled Man of Plan against the Metal Next. Throw down on the halfies, baby. Shoot. Oh my god!
Whoa, what? What is it?
The waterslide is sick! Like good sick, not like seasick, kind of sick. But,
So this is where they keep the children.
That's a weird opening line. Big Mac!
Hey Hope, Sam, give me a second. Where you were going, you would have been here all night.
You know, you could have paced things out, give the folks a little bit more of a show.
Nah, I think they're ready for dessert.
When I give the signal, smash your buttons.
You annoying little...
Come on now!
Target acquired.
Hit your buttons now! We did it! We did it!
I'm here.
I can't believe you missed it.
It's over already?
That guy over there is still eating? Yeah, he'll vouch for it.
Hey Scott, what's your status?
What's my status? Super cool. Just took down Ultron one-on-one.
Head back to base. Hey kid, good job tonight. You're on cleanup duty.
It's cookie tonight.
Battle's over? What do you mean it's over? I just got here. You want a victory playlist? Sure, hit it.
I'm a big fan. Oh, yeah. Ready? Yeah. Is he taking a picture of it? That's a video. It's so small. It's so small. It's so cool. Have a great day, dude. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Yes, I do. Though it's happened once or twice, someone couldn't pay the price, and I'm afraid I've had to write them across the hall. I had the odd complaint, but on the whole, I've been a saint to those poor unfortunate souls.
Take it away, girls. Hey, look at that movie.
Looking for a star, huh? Well, I know the best one in the night sky.
So this is love. So this is love.